F-35B, world's most modern and insane stealth fighter jet. The F-35B Lightning II is a multi-role, single-seat, vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) stealth fighter aircraft designed by Lockheed Martin. The F-35B is the short takeoff and vertical landing (STOVL) variant of the F-35 family of aircraft, which also includes the F-35A, conventional takeoff and landing, and the F-35C, carrier-based. The F-35B is capable of hovering, takeoff, and landing vertically like a helicopter, which makes it well suited for operations from smaller ships in austere locations where runway space is limited. The F-35B has advanced stealth capabilities, including low observable technology, which helps reduce its radar signature and makes it difficult to detect. The F-35B is equipped with advanced avionics and sensors